Understanding dream cloud in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, dream cloud. It's a term that can spark your imagination and take you on a linguistic journey. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Dream cloud is not a phrase you'll find in a standard dictionary. It's a metaphorical expression that combines the ephemeral and intangible nature of dreams with the fluffy, drifting appearance of clouds. When we talk about a dream cloud, we might be referring to a state of daydreaming or a collection of hopes and aspirations that feel as light and lofty as clouds. Using dream cloud in a sentence can add a poetic touch to your language. For example, she was lost in a dream cloud, imagining her future adventures. His head is always in a dream cloud. He's so creative and full of ideas. The phrase can be tweaked to fit different contexts, such as cloud of dreams or dreamy cloud, each offering a slightly different nuance. For instance, a cloud of dreams might suggest a gathering of many dreams together, whereas a dreamy cloud could describe something that looks or feels like it's from a dream. To truly understand dream cloud, it can help to visualize it. Imagine a sky filled with clouds, each one representing a different dream or goal. Some are big and close, others distant and small, but all are part of the vast sky of our imagination. And there you have it, a journey through the concept of dream cloud. May your language learning be as light and inspiring as the clouds in the sky. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to dream big.